how to post 60-second story on your Instagram account. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and also turn that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So right now what we need to do first is to check if our Instagram account is up to date, so that we will have this certain feature on our Instagram and it will allow us to have stories that are 60 seconds long. So of course, go to your Play Store and search Instagram. So my Instagram here is updated since it has no updates available. So if you have this as well, just click on open, or if it does have updates, just click on updates. And then if we are here on our home page, just click on that plus icon and go to stories, and then find a video that is more than 60 seconds long. And if you are able to do this without any warning, then it means that your Instagram is updated and it can support videos that or stories that are more than 60 seconds long. But don't worry if you do not have this. There is a solution for this problem. So what you need to do is go back to your home page, and then here you can go to your profile, and then what you need to do is go to that three lines, go to settings and privacy, and then next thing to do is to scroll down and then go to help and report a problem. So in this report a problem, you can just write your feedback on what is your problem and what do you want to tell the support system of Instagram. So I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.